So first things first, I'm gonna need to be removing this nail polish. Oh my gosh, this looks so terrible. But we're gonna get them looking right. Just trust the process. Here I'm using the Zoya 3-in-1 remover. I love this one. It's so gentle on my nails and it's so easy to use. It has a very light scent. So my nails are so dry. I cannot wait. Like, this nail care routine is long overdue. I've left my nails uncared for weeks. I was kind of down in the dumps, a little bit of seasonal blues, and really the telltale sign for me when I'm not in the greatest spirits and mood is when I start letting go of my nail care and the nail polish is chipping, my nails are dry and things like that. So I'm feeling a lot better now. So I'm really glad to do this nail care routine and really get back to myself and of course back to my nails. The next step is to trim them down to get them to the same size. As you can see, my thumbnail on the left hand is a little bit longer, so I'm going to trim that down to match the other thumbnail length. I trim them little by little and go right across the nail length to prevent cutting off too much and really getting a more defined length. The next step is to file down the rough edges from the nail clippings. I use glass nail files. I love these. Glass nail files are great at getting precise edges, really smoothing things out. I prefer them over emery boards or typical foam nail files. And here are my nails after they've been trimmed. I like to keep my nails in an oval shape. I round the nail edge while I file, and I go in one direction as much as possible. If there's a really sharp edge, I definitely would do the typical back and forth motion, but I tend to do more of one direction to prevent any micro tearing that could happen that could lead to breakage later. So before I can hydrate my nails, I am gonna buff them. This step I don't always do, but if I do find that I have a lot of ridges on my nails or just want to really create a smooth surface, I'll do the buffing. So I have a buffing block that I have here, and I just smooth away any ridges on my nails and of course polish them so they're a little bit shiny. And now the part that I've been desperately waiting for is to rehydrate my nails. So I prefer to use a cuticle balm. I have this one here from Electric Healing. It's a combination of oils and shea butter. I use a nail art brush to get in really deep into those cuticles in the corners and the edges and really get in there. I need this to like sit for a while, and I wash my hands. And the next step that I do is to apply a nail treatment. So here I'm using the OPI start to finish 3-in-1. It's a base coat, top coat nail strengthener, and I've just only started using this one, but so far so good. I've been liking it, and this is really going to act as like an extra seal to keep in that moisture that I've just added into my nails. And the last step is I put more cuticle oil after that treatment is all dry. Let that sit for a bit. I've got to say, I feel so much better when my nails are cared for, when my nails are looking their best, and really a nail care routine is part of my self-care routine, I feel, and I love this part of it and trying new products and seeing what works too. So this is what my typical nail care routine looks like. It lets me reconnect and check in with my nails just to see where they're at and what the health is looking like on them. Do we need to trim them? Do we need to file them? That kind of thing. So it's really one of my favorite things to look forward to. I hope you found some of these steps maybe helpful, or what are your favorite nail care routine go-to, either in products or steps? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.